This is an RV scam alert. This is actually a safety risk for all RVers. There's a lot of bad water out there in campgrounds, right?
Correct.
You really don't know what you're getting. Which one of these is not like the other? How would our RV viewers out there know whether a product is safe or not?
Sure.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
Back with a quick video, and this is an RV scam alert. This is actually a safety risk for all RVers out there right now because we all drink water.
We do.
This is Corbin with Blue Technologies. Thank you for coming down here. We're at the Alliance RV plant today, and there are some scammers selling basically fake water filtration units.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
And you're the expert, so I'm going to let you talk about it, but I have a product like this that I've had for about 15 months, and it's the R3.
It's the R3.
And it's been great knowing I've got safe water in the RV, but these units this looks very similar, but it is not. So I'll let Corbin tell us all about it and why you should avoid these products.
Yeah. We just really want to get a message out to the RVers of America. Want to make sure everybody's safe and taking care of themselves. And this particular product is from a company called Crystala. And they basically came in the market about 4 months ago with, those of you who are familiar with their R3, have an exact replica. We are patent pending, so we'll get that cleared up once our patents are finalized. But some concerns for for your viewers and our customers is these products, we went through an extensive process, engineering process on vetting materials and filters and all of that. And so what's concerning is when we get into the filters, if you happen to buy one of these, you can see that the finishes on the inside are a little concerning, whether this is really stainless steel 304, is it safe? The connection points, again, we have material certs for every one of our stainless components, but most concerning is the filters. And the first one of these we bought actually came without filters, and they said they were having some issues with the supply base in China. And when we did get our second one, because we wanted the filters to evaluate them, really kind of iffy what they are. It's hard to tell. They call their high flow filter, has some claims about 0.2 micron. Doesn't look like a 0.2 micron. And longevity, that one's pretty easy because it's a toilet paper holder roll. And the Tasty filter, not sure if the materials inside of it are all safe. So we're just concerned that our folks are getting these things, and again, for the price point they're offering it, we just don't see how that could possibly be, a material that you'd want to be putting in water. There's also a water softener, just like ours, on the market right now by the same company, Crystala. Looks a little familiar, right? And again, we do have a patent pending on this too. But the concern is that the resin selection is very important in here to make sure that it's safe for you as the user. And additionally, this is advertised as a 1600 grain. We have a very similar size volume, and ours is 10,000 grains. So I think there's some misperception out there on what you're getting, but more importantly, just what's in it. So just be aware of, it's not always the lowest price, if you will, of getting exactly what you need in the safety part of the product selection.
So Corbin, how would our RV viewers out there know whether a product is safe or not?
Sure. So the regulation side of the filter space is very self-policed right now. The EPA will monitor your household water, municipal water. The FDA take care of bottled water. There are branches that will provide testing, but it is voluntary at this point. There's an agency by the name of NSF, or National Sanitation Foundation, which we're working with to get all of that on our products so everybody knows that they're legit, right? Unfortunately, you'll even see Berkey talk about how expensive it is. It's a very expensive endeavor, but we feel like it's worth it for our clients. But right now, that's why they're able to get away with it. because there's no
Okay.
one policing what's inside there. We elected to work through, make sure we had at least FDA materials, and we worked through material reviews and test with those. So that's how they're able to make this happen. And Tom, I think it's also important, you asked about knowing whether these filters are good or not. This particular organization and its affiliate organizations are actually in a lawsuit with the United States International Trade Commission. They've been making claims about the safety of their filters on other products that they sell, and they don't meet those standards. So the International Trade Commission actually has them in court dealing with some of these issues. In addition to companies like Whirlpool and Electrolux, other filter manufacturers are seeing their products copied by this company.
So, but they're still on Amazon right now.
These are listed today, and sometimes and both of these products are.
Wow.
And Tom, there's also a couple of other companies. There's a company by Glacier Fresh who's selling a version of this and this product, so that's Glacier Fresh. But also be wary of other sellers in Mexico and Canada, or any other sites that you happen to see our products listed, because we have people that are defrauding us. They'll make an order, cancel it at the credit card company, take it, and then they'll actually resell it on their site. And you're starting to see this be a mainstream trend. Our concern is, are they harvesting our filters out? What are they doing to it when they get it before they send it on? So just be wary that you're either buying it through your affiliate links or direct from Blue Tech.
Subscribe so you catch our upcoming video of all of Blue Tech's water filtration systems, including this one, which I really want because it'd be great for boondocking. And there's a lot of bad water out there in campgrounds, right?
Correct.
You really don't know what you're getting. Mm-hmm. Don't think your campground or RV park water is that bad, or you want to trust a cheap water filtration unit? This is what my filters look like the last time I changed them. Look at all of that iron. Crazy. That's how you know it's capturing all of that bad stuff. There's a new filter for you as an example. All right, there's the next stage. Oh, look at that. It doesn't look bad on the outside, but you can see a lot of color right there. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, a little bit of sediment in there, so we'll get that rinsed out. Toss that one. This is the safety one here. Yeah, it's got some color as well. Look at that. So you can see all the crap that's in our water. You don't want to be drinking that. So again, this is why we have water filters in our RV, and a good one. You don't want cheap ones. You don't want knockoffs. We think you should have the right water filtration unit. So what I'll do is I'll link below to Blue Tech, where you can get an official Blue Tech water filter system. We have the R3, and Corbin here is actually going to give all of you guys a great discount if you're interested in getting a product, because we want you guys to be safe and definitely be aware of knockoff products. For our next video, you can click right over here.